Sometimes even showing love can lead to little accidents.
Raise the attack.
Bailey, you're gonna fall, you stupid dog.
Nice.
Specialist about Fasenra.
You probably think all cats are the same. Either weak or feel
Gentle Bentley. No.
Frank, get the ball. Get Frank, get it.
You got it. Damn.
If a sudden fight breaks out, you can be sure the cat started it all. This must be the look on a guy's face after seeing his ex with someone new. If you have adorable dogs and feisty cats at home, this scene always catches your eye every day. Get this guy into the movies. He clearly knows which side to be on.
Hi, did something spill on the carpet? Are you thinking with the other side of your head? Is there catnip I don't know about?
Everyone gets curious when there's an argument, even this cat right here. Once it's something you don't like, just seeing it is enough to turn you off. A sibling rivalry is inevitable in every family. The creatures on this pillow seem quite alarmed by the giant black alien cats.
Brother,
No one can take the blanket away from this determined guy. The biggest enemy is still oneself.
你得配合爸爸，知道不知道？你现在好多粉丝呢，你配合爸爸，好好演出，知道不？嗯？你看你肥的现在，
Well, 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 what do we have here? 2 giraffes.
¿Qué tal? Hola, hola.
Bored with his white fur, but poor to go to the spa to get his fur dyed.
Maggie? Oh yeah, do the whole lot. I think you've missed a bit.
When Golden promised to sacrifice everything for his bestie. This dog is putting on airs and trying to look like a noble.
Lola. This? I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me. They just gave it to me. And now it lives in my house.
He was checking which one of his profiles is better for the camera. Guys bragging in front of their crush. Yes, pig can fly.
Me thinking about my sporty career after watching the Olympics.
It's when you know that kisses are equivalent to trees.
Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Me? Mimi? Mimi?
Me and my besties trying to find something to do after our messages get leaked. Exactly every boss after they get involved in the process that they said they understand it well.